Hello guys, this is Daryl Serna, and today we're going to be talking about how to blur the vehicle's plate number using Adobe Premiere Pro 2022. Okay, so first is you have to make sure you are in the editing workspace. So just go to Window Workspaces and select editing, or you can Alt Shift 8. Okay, and then next is go to your effects panel, and again you can go to Windows and then select effects, or just click Shift 7. And once you get there, just type blur and select Gaussian blur, and then just drag it. Left click your mouse and hold and drag it to your video clip, just like here. And then select the effects control here. And when you select the video clip, it'll show all of the controls for the effects. So let's just move our preview window here so we can see both of the preview and the controls. Okay, so let's just move that one. And now just select the Gaussian blur effects. And you can do manual free draw Bezier or the polygon 4-point or the box polygon mask. But let's just use this one so we can, because this is not really flat. And you can also select the the zoom, or not here, if you want to zoom your preview. So let's select that one. Yeah, so you can properly, what do you call that, draw your points, mask points. And once you do that, just I'd like to minimize my feather. I'll set that to 0, and then just increase the amount for your blurriness. Usually 20 is enough, so you can also type that directly by clicking the numbers. Now go back here. You can drag, so you can see the timeline here. In the main timeline is the same, but when you go here, you're just gonna stop where you made the last cut. Unlike here, you can go through everything. So again, click the clip you wanna do the blurring of the plate number, and there, just make sure that it's where you perfectly draw the 4 points, and then go back to where you last draw, and then click this track selected mask backward, so we will track these frames here. So let's do that. And then as you can see, it created some points there. It will follow, as you can see here, it's following the plate number. That's how you easily do it. All right, so I'm done blurring the rest of the plate numbers. Just took time repeating the process I just showed you earlier, and now let's see it. missed that part there. Oh. So in this case, let's just continue. Delete this one and then continue the clip. Then make another cut. Then just click the tracking again. And there you go. Perfect. All right, that's it, guys.